Every year, monsoon floods wreak havoc, disrupting lives and causing massive economic losses. But innovative engineering is stepping up. In Mumbai, underground water tanks and pumping stations are tackling flash floods head on. Meanwhile, Kochi's water metro is designed to withstand rising water levels. Globally, the Netherlands showcases the Maeslantkering storm surge barrier, a true engineering marvel. Smart drainage systems are now adjusting to heavy rainfall in real time, while green infrastructure like rain gardens absorbs excess water. With AI and IoT, advanced flood forecasting provides early warnings, ensuring timely evacuations. This proactive infrastructure is not just about today's rains, it's about building resilience for tomorrow's climate challenges.